140 lira.
These are a kind of Turkish delight with nuts, especially these ones. We call these one pestil, and we call these one churchkela. I mean, sucuk with chestnut, walnut. This is sarma. This is dolma. These are made by grape leaf, the green ones, and the dolma is made by pepper, red fresh pepper or aubergine. Normally sucuk is this, okay, but I called the sugary things, which name is churchkela. I called it as sucuk with walnut. Sucuk word comes from this. It's spicy meat.
Bu ne abi? Bu abi mi?
Ablacığım içli köfte yapıyorsun değil mi? Evet. Ha, tamam. This is a kind of meatball with bulgur, and inside of it minced meat and walnut inside, and we are frying it in the oil as this. We call this in Turkish içli köfte. I mean, which has ingredients in meatball.